Shakuntala, a Sanskrit play by Kalidasa about Shakuntala, a woman who falls in love with King Dushyanta. They marry, but a curse causes him to forget her until a divine intervention reunites them. This story explores love, separation, and redemption. The story of Shakuntala highlights the honesty of Shakuntala, her strength and challenge to traditional gender rules. The curse of forgetfulness represents the fragility of memory and relationship. Her reunion with King Dushyanta, aided by his ring, symbolizes the triumph of truth and divine intervention, illustrating that justice and truth can prevail even in tough situations. The story of Shakuntala represents themes of love, loss, and redemption. Her love for King Dushyanta is interrupted by a curse, causing her to be rejected by society. Despite these challenges, she stays strong, motivated by love and trust in fate. Shakuntala's story is timeless, highlighting the strength and dignity in facing life challenges.